Hello and welcome to your 4-week foundation for better energy, fat loss and smarter eating. I'm really happy you are here. The fact that you joined this program already tells me something important about you. You care about your health, you want to feel better in your body, and you are ready to understand how to eat in a way that truly supports you, not with extreme diets or punishing yourself, but with knowledge, understanding, and a simple action. This 4-week foundation will help you understand your body better, improve your food choices, structure your eating, and everything to stabilize your energy and support fat loss naturally. When we nourish our body well, our body responds well. And as I often say, you get healthy first, and weight loss becomes a pleasant side effect. And I truly believe that this is appropriate and true. So, how this program is structured? You will move through 4 simple modules. Each one focuses on a key area of eating and lifestyle: food quality, meal timing, daily habits, and long-term consistency. Each module has 3 to 4 short, clear, and practical trainings, plus simple tasks to complete. Because just knowing things does not improve your health, completing the small steps and filling all your tasks is very, very important, because when we take action, this is when the change happens. This course is not just a generic self-study course. Before Module 1 begins, we start with one-on-one consultation with me. So here I can support you, give you a personalized advice so you can start with much better clarity and confidence. So please book your one-to-one as soon as you can. The link is below this video. I truly encourage you to download and fill so-called intake form. And I would love you to submit it to me not later than 12 hours before your consultation. Remember that all information which you provide me about your health, and you will include it in this form, is confidential. I will never share your health data with anyone, and the form will be deleted from my files right away after our consultation. But submitting the form to me is optional. You can just download it, fill it for yourself, so you know what I will be asking you during our consultation. And that's absolutely okay. But if you will submit the form to me, I can prepare myself for our consultation and you can benefit more. I really want you to succeed. I want you to improve your health significantly. And this consultation is a valuable bonus. I really believe that it will help you. Okay, so now I want to tell you when you will cross the finish line. It will happen in around 4 weeks from the start of this course if you will go with the plan, but you don't have to finish your course in 4 weeks. You can do it whenever you are ready. Now, this 30 days plan will allow you to follow your plan after the course ends, because I want you to be prepared what to do afterwards. And remember, your body wants to work well. It was designed to work well. You just have to support it as good as you can. Thank you so much for trusting me in this journey, and I can't wait for meeting you on our Zoom consultation. One thing I want to tell you more: if you don't like the video to be switched on our Zoom meeting, you don't have to. You can have your camera switched off. Okay, so this is everything from me for today. I'm Dr. Małgorzata Hirsch. My short name is Gosia. I'm a nutritionist and metabolic health coach, and this is me who prepared this short 4 weeks foundation course for you. Now you can go to collect your first points under this video, and whenever you are ready, I will see you in the training one.